Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a line passing through a point and parallel at the same time parallel to this other equation of another line. Okay, so the equation of a line, you need to find the equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to another line. Okay, now again, the one thing I want you to keep in mind is anytime you want the equation of a line, know that you need the point slope formula, as you have a point and you may get a slope, right? You will get a slope. So a point slope formula is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, okay? Now you have x1, y1 right here, okay? All you need to get is m, right? We don't see m, right? But what they're saying here is that the line we need to get the equation of a line, but that line is parallel to another line, which is of which we have the equation right here. Well, we need the slope, and we know the line we need is parallel to another line. Now, when two lines are parallel, this is one thing to know. When two lines are parallel, they have the same slope. This is one thing to know. Parallel lines have the same slope. The same slope, right? Okay, parallel lines have the same slope. So this is one thing to know. Now, once you know that, you know, if you get the slope, if you can get the slope of this line, which is given to you as 4x plus y equals to 8. If you can get the slope here, you can use it right here to get the equation of this line you need. All right, so let's get the slope right here. Well, we know that in another video of mine, I showed you that if you have the equation of a line, you can actually find the slope of it if you can write it in slope-intercept form. Well, this is pretty easy to write in slope-intercept form, because if we subtract 4x from both sides here, we will have the slope-intercept form, which is negative 4x plus b, which is 8 in this case here, right? Now, right here, negative 4x plus 8, right here, you get the slope here, because this is in slope-intercept form. This is like y equals mx plus b. So the m right here is negative 4, which is basically the slope. Now, this is the slope of this line, which is parallel to the line you need, Now, if they're parallel, they have the same slope. So we can use this slope as m right here, because they're parallel, right? Okay, so once I know that they're parallel, I can use it, and I can continue with this to find the equation of the line. So I can answer this question. So it's y minus y1, which is negative 3, okay, equals to, m, which is negative 4, times x minus x1, which is negative 2. Okay, then I can continue with this. I can solve it so I can get the so I can get to the answer to this right here. So I just do the math here. Y plus 3 equals to negative 4x, right? Because I can distribute here. Negative 4x. Now, these two signs becomes a positive, so it's x plus 2. So it's negative 4 times positive 2, which is negative 8, okay? This is what I have here. Now, I have to subtract 3 from both sides, because I'm trying to solve for y, remember? So solving for y, I cancel 3 out here, so I have y equals to negative 4x. Negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11, okay? So this is the equation of a line, of the line passing through this point, and also parallel to this line. So equation y equals negative 4x minus 11. One thing again to remember is that this, I could use the slope of this line because it was parallel to the other line, the line I need, okay? This is written in slope-intercept form, okay? This is slope-intercept form. So if that's what they need, your instructor, you're done here, because this is the slope-intercept form. To write this in standard form, if that's what they want from the question asked, if that's what they tell you, to write it in standard form, all you have to do is just transforming this, putting the 4x, the negative 4x over, so you have to add 4x to both sides. It would just be 4x plus y equals to negative 11, and this would be standard form, okay? By the way, you know that you're done here. You're done as long as you have the equation, but I'm just showing you the form. So if they want, for example, the slope-intercept form, this is how you write it. Standard form, this is how you write your answer. But the key here is to know how to solve, how to find the equation of a line passing through a point and also parallel to another line. Now, if you know the line you need is parallel to another line, you just need to find the slope of that other line, and you can actually use it for the line you need. Because guess what? Parallel lines actually have the same slope. Okay? So remember that. Then you need to know the point slope formula, and it's pretty easy for you to solve. All right? Thank you. Hope you understand.